Woodpecker. It's the first time I really see them actually picking at the wood before. I always hear them but I never see him before. Look at him picking away on the wood. Wow. It's the first time I really see him do it. I always hear no, 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 no. And I know him out there picking away at the wood. I never see him before. It's the first time I'm actually standing up and watching him doing it. Like, seriously. Wow. Look at that. He's going away, picking away, pick, 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 pick. Ah, nature. Look at that, guys. Look at him. Ah, picking away. I wonder what him doing, what him making. Do they just pick at the board and just pick out the board, or they actually make something? I don't know. Like, is he trying to craft something or what? Or they just pick at the board? His beak is so sharp, man. Them beak must be really sharp to do that. Lord, imagine if them pick you. Whew. I can literally just see him spitting out the odor each time him do it. Him spitting out the odor, spitting out the odor. Oh, there's another one where I tell him, so may I watch him? Like, seriously. I have to zoom in. Look at him go. Let me finish hanging out my clothes and stop watching the woodpecker.